kunento eyasho uFilimon earlier ukuthi you know, sometimes you meet about hong.
Yeah.
You know, where they twang and all that. And then what separates you from that? What defines you? Ukuthi bayazi ukuthi aya ngamingila nabantu nezinobnanan but out here sekasi le.
It's I think it's the talent. Angazi ngayibeka kanjani. Njengoba noFilimon ake wayisho lento le. Besithi masifika kuma auditions bas intimidate from the language to the dress code. Ay bokuthi mawubheke the way bagqoke ngakhona.
Yeah.
Ubona ukuthi yo these guys are heavy. But mabaqala bangene emicini, then there's a difference. You know. And there was also other people abebe fana nathi. A few of them though. Uthole akuba nenye out nje. Uthole ifike lapha kuma auditions uzigqokela ama overall. Ezominyatha la man mombekile. Yo, abambele a microphone. Yo. Yabo uthukuthi uya rapper. Yo, into ephuma lapha ya. And then we realize ukuthi man, it's not about the looks, it's not about the how you speak. But it's about the talent itself. You understand? Yeah, so ubukasi kimi obviously it's ngibuthathe from birth because I was born elokishini.
Yeah.
You understand? I was born elokishini, so the culture I grew up into the culture yaselokishini. So I understand even the language.
Yeah.
I understand pretty much everything because ngisuka eJabulani elokishini ngiya eSwaneville elokishini. You know, so that thing igimi ngikhula nayo. Okay, ke uNkulunkulu wangipha lesipho lese kuyitalent, which was a bonus. And that's what makes me stand out. That's what makes me gain respect even from the people like us. You know, it's that and nothing else.
And then now, yazi lento ishoyo like ngimangale mina. Most of people, they always judge me in a sense ukuthi maybe bacabanga ukuthi ngikhuluma isilungu. Others, I've heard them calling me Slay Queen. I hate that name and all that. Until now, you get to know me. Uthola ukuthi umuntu ngisendaweni angisumuntu into ezifense mina ngiyajabulisa yabo. Yeah, no, I'm champagne girl. Yabo mangiphuza ngithi beer. Mina khona ngizikhohle uthola ukuthi ngithanda thatha ngithi that's me. Honestly, that's me. You can take someone from the get, but you cannot take the get out of them. Yes, that's me.
Yes,
and I'm proud about that. There's one thing engayifuni ukuzenza into engesiyona. Like because you cannot maintain it. You know, the saddest part, people trying to be something that they are not, and then when they have to maintain that, they fail, and then to shinchi.
Yes.
You cannot. Be authentic to yourself so that ungazuzixakekisa. Uyazi ukuthi mawufika kubo Sandile kudliwa ama lobster uzodla mara noma belethe ikhabishi still uzodla.
Yeah, true.
Uyayibona into enjalo. And then now I wanna understand this from Ushaba to Ushango. What made you to change thina sasikwazi
ngoshaba ne? Okay, Ushaba ngisuka naye eZola.
Kwakutheni ube Ushaba?
Okay. Do you know Shaba Ranks, the artist?
No, mina futhi bengicabanga ukuthi mhlambe you related no Shabalala.
No.
That is why Ushaba.
Mangisafunda eThulani ne?
Yes.
eZola. Bekudumele ngoma le ka Shaba Ranks. Mr. Lover Man.
Okay. Yes, I know the song but I don't know the artist. Yeah.
So we used to sing that song, like say imitate.
It's in ngoma yeah.
So we used to sing that song, see imitate. So mangfika eSwaneville.
Yeah.
Ekhululekana. Mina lento music benginokusukuma nje ngibaculela. Siseklasini. ngiculele ingoma kaShaba Ranks. That's how I got the name. From eklasini they called me uShaba, and then la spreader ilokishi lonke. Yes, because of that artist uShaba and me imitating his songs. And then again, as I grow, then I had to find my own stage name. And nakhona azange ngazinikeza mina or ngacabanga ukuthi no, I'm gonna call myself uShango. But it was Untando. It was Untando.
And I'm going there.
Who said, "Hayi ntwana wena, yo, the way uShango khona, ungikhumbuza uShango, yabo? King Shango."
Who's Shango?
There's this other artist now, Capleton.
Okay.
He goes by the name Capleton, his station name sakhe. But Gebambiza King Shango, like also known as King Shango. So iyafana nale kaShaba. Iyafana nale kaShaba. It's just that uShango ke angazi ngivele I just felt ukuthi angaba right ukuthi abe station name sami since
I thought it's part of your clan names, trust me.
No. A lot of people think so. And I've met a couple of vendor guys who also thought I was referring to Shango, like the land or the land.
Yeah.
You know what the land in Venda is Shango.
Oh,
Shango, yes.
yeah.
So they thought my name is Shango. And I loved that. I was like, yeah, I'm Shango.
You are the land.
You know?
You are the land. In the land you can build anything. Yes. I love that.
Because I am that, yeah.
I love that. And then the first, like, Mohlelo uthi, yes, I've been into a stage many a times, but there's this performance.
Yo.
Ngashiya abantu bekhala befeinta.
I was performing with my friend Uslash.
Okay.
At Durban.
Okay.
This is at Durban, next to the beach, and there were thousands of people. Yeah. Like I see a venue there.
Yeah, I understand what you mean.
I understand.
Yeah.
Like maybe it's a stadium. It was even more than that. Because it goes beach. The stage is here.
Oh.
And the crowd. Yo. Benqala ukuphefumela abantu abangaka mawubabhekile like and sifika kanje we were not announced. Actually we were not part of the show. Sangena kuleya show angazi kanjani.
Okay.
I don't know how. But because of besihamba nontando na management yethu, then we managed ukuthi basifake kuleya show leya. Wow. I reception yabantu like must perform. That was one of my best shows ever.
Yeah.
And iyo engikhumbula yabona, even if you can ask my friend Yenu Slash ukuthi what's your
the highlights.
Yeah, your best one or your best. Uzokutshela naye ukuthi eyasemgababa sasisedebe nemgababa.
Wow.
Yeah.